In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Motorola Razr 60 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you have to click open and then click agree and continue. Now close this ad. Then click allow and click consent. Now click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Then you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.